First line. My favorite book is Harry Potter. Second line. It is written by J.K. Rowling. Third line. The story is about a young wizard named Harry. Fourth line. He studies at a magical school called Hogwarts. Fifth line. The book is full of magic, adventure, and friendship. Sixth line. I like this book because it is very interesting. Seventh line. It teaches us about courage and honesty. Eighth line. The characters in the book are very exciting. Ninth line. I enjoy reading this book again and again. 10th line. This is why Harry Potter is my favorite book.